9 benefits of chamomile. Ever wonder why chamomile tea is everyone's go-to for winding down? This humble little herb isn't just about relaxation, it's a natural wellness powerhouse with benefits that go way beyond helping you catch Z's. From soothing the skin to boosting immunity, chamomile has been cherished for centuries for good reason. Here are 9 amazing benefits of chamomile that might just make it your new favorite herb, and a bonus culinary tip you won't want to miss. Number 1. Relieves stress and anxiety. Chamomile has mild sedative properties that can help to ease stress and anxiety. This effect is due to the plant's flavonoids and terpenoids, which have been shown to interact with brain receptors that influence emotions and mood. Regularly sipping chamomile tea or using chamomile essential oil can be an effective, natural way to find calm in moments of stress. Number 2. Promotes better sleep. If you're struggling with insomnia or restless nights, chamomile is a popular, natural remedy. Known as a sleep-inducing herb, chamomile contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to certain receptors in the brain, helping reduce insomnia and improve overall sleep quality. A cup of chamomile tea before bed can create a relaxing bedtime ritual to ease you into a peaceful slumber. Number 3. Eases digestive discomfort. Chamomile is gentle on the stomach and can alleviate several digestive issues. Its anti-inflammatory properties help calm the digestive tract, making it an effective remedy for nausea, bloating, gas, and even irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Drinking chamomile tea after a meal can help your body process food more smoothly, reducing the chances of discomfort. Number 4. Reduces inflammation. Thanks to its natural anti-inflammatory properties, chamomile can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. The herb's active compounds, such as chamomile, act as natural anti-inflammatories that can be especially beneficial for conditions like arthritis, skin irritations, and even gastrointestinal inflammation. Number 5. Supports skin health. Chamomile isn't only for drinking, it's a skin superfood too. The herb is packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals and support the skin's natural healing process. Chamomile extracts and oils are often found in skincare products for their ability to soothe conditions like eczema, acne, and dry skin. Apply chamomile tea or diluted chamomile oil directly to problem areas for calming relief. Number 6. Alleviates menstrual pain. Chamomile has been used for centuries as a natural way to reduce menstrual cramps and discomfort. It contains properties that help relax the uterus and reduce the severity of cramping. Drinking chamomile tea can ease pain and provide a comforting way to manage symptoms during menstruation, making it a popular natural remedy for period pain relief. Number 7. Boosts immune health. Chamomile tea is known for its immune-boosting properties, which can help the body fight off infections and illness. The herb's antioxidants, including polyphenols, work to strengthen the immune system and combat harmful bacteria. Regularly drinking chamomile tea or using chamomile essential oil aromatherapy may help keep your immune system resilient. Number 8. Relieves allergy symptoms. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help relieve symptoms related to seasonal allergies such as itchy eyes, sneezing, and runny nose. Chamomile acts as a natural antihistamine and can reduce inflammation in the sinuses and airways. However, those with ragweed allergies should proceed with caution, as chamomile is part of the ragweed family. Number 9. Promotes heart health. Chamomile contains flavonoids, compounds linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. These powerful antioxidants work to lower blood pressure and bad cholesterol levels, which are major contributors to cardiovascular issues. By sipping chamomile tea regularly, you're giving your heart an extra boost, helping to keep it healthy and strong. Bonus: Culinary Delight. Chamomile isn't just for tea, it adds a mild floral flavor to a variety of dishes. Chamomile flowers can be used in baking or infused in syrups for desserts, cocktails, and even savory dishes. Its delicate taste pairs well with honey and lemon, adding a unique and calming twist to recipes. Chamomile. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest healthful tips and insights. If you're intrigued by the power of natural herbs and their benefits, be sure to check out this video. Bits of ginger you should know. Ginger, like chamomile, can positively impact your health in many ways. garden.